It won't capture that dust on my screen. Look.
Forward back. No, it doesn't capture the outside of your screen. Grandia 2. Anniversary Edition.
Yeah, man. Improved graphics and all.
2000, so 15 years ago?
Yeah.
I'm 23.
8 years after I was born.
Okay, so I was 8 too then? Was I 8 too?
Were you born in 1992?
Yeah. Yeah, I was 8 too. Wow, it's really bad I couldn't do that math. Just from 92 to 2000. For some reason, I was calculating 23 subtract 25, subtract 15.
Oh god, I don't
Doing
even
it that
do it
way.
like that. I'm just
Why
like,
would I do it that
it's
way?
like 92 plus 8. Okay.
Why would I do that to myself? I don't know. What is that? Are those people, or was that a burn? Was that a
I
burning?
tried to skip this.
Was that a burning ground scene, or were those people?
I think it was.
What is that? Is that a hand? There's some Legend of Zelda type shit.
Enjoy the murals.
What the fuck? Why are they showing us so many different, like, religious depictions?
This is the world.
What is
this
happening?
Is the Grandia world. It'd be like if,
Is that how the
it'd
world
be
was
like
formed?
if someone from the
Is that how
Grandia
Earth
world
was
came in
formed?
here and they were showing a bunch of murals of like God and shit and like the stone tablets and shit. Like they'd be like, what in the name of?
What? There's a planet all of a sudden. They didn't. They just showed two things like fucking each other, and then it was like, oh, there's a planet, and it's fucked up by a comet. Immediately. That's a
That's
huge
the great split.
The great.
It's important. Believe me. Look, it's on the map.
Oh my god.
It's important.
They went Lord of the Rings full out on this.
This Lord of the Rings actually look like that.
Well, or Narnia. If you read the Narnia books, you can see they have. And the fucking.
Remember reading Narnia
the books I'm
back
reading
in,
now.
like, high school. But
I
I
read
never
Narnia.
looked at the map.
I read all of them through high
Were
school.
there maps?
They have maps in every single one, showing
Maybe
you
I did look at the map.
the lay of the land in the beginning.
This didn't. Now loading.
Now loading. Awkward pause.
Now loading.
Oh, look at those
For a very
Donkey
long
Kong
time.
graphic trees. Oh, how I've missed those.
Donkey Kong.
Who are those?
graphic
All similar looking people.
trees. They're a gang.
Is she a chocobo?
It's the squad, yo.
Well, what does she have? Does she have 4 legs?
She's got antenna legs.
Are those
I
bells?
think that's part of her outfit.
She has bells.
How'd you
Okay.
even tell? How can you
I don't know, they
tell
kind of
they're
look like
bells?
tomatoes now that I'm looking at them.
No, I think they're bells.
I'm just assuming
I
they're
don't like
bells.
the idea of them.
Because
being
why would
tomatoes.
someone wear tomatoes on their legs?
Oh, they're waving by. See
Did
you
they
later.
even say?
Where are they?
Did
What
they
just
even say
happened?
anything to us?
Why are they out in the jungle just having
There's
a
no
meeting?
context. They just left. Who are we? Are we them?
No.
See, I don't
Oh,
know.
bird with
Crazy bird. Oh, how did that
Bird
bird?
holding cannonballs.
How did that bird create enough
They're like
gust to pull all their clothes in that direction when they're talking about?
yeah.
All their clothes.
The bird is like, I'm the strongest fucking bird in the world.
It's like I fly. Oh, that's us.
My name is
That's
Guinness.
Down sky.
Ryudo.
Like, actually, it's
Ryudo.
Sky. Oh, the voice acting in this game.
Oh, they have voice acting too. Awesome.
Yeah, it's actually.
They did go hard. on this
They
game.
they were on some next level shit back in 2000.
What are these things called? These are the lizard people that now run our world. Oh shit. Left one y'all behind, we gonna fuck you up.
Ha!
Oh, we just kill him.
It's like, I fucked that shit up.
What?
That's my-
It didn't even, what?
he's
I
on
thought
a
you
mission.
I thought you just built you were building a house or something.
Sky,
And you were like
over
la
here.
la la. You just raised your hands and they built. They built.
They built. They built.
What the fuck? He just flies on the bird? That bird's super strong for its size. Look how
They're
small
like
that fucking
descending
bird
though.
is.
They're not staying up.
Oh no, he's going up.
Much more of this.
Listen to
Quit your belly aching and fly, damn it!
that voice acting though.
Whoa!
You could have been Ryudo.
Oh dude, I could so do Voice actors hit me up though.
We
What the
finished
fuck is
job,
that ground?
didn't I?
Is that supposed to be grass? What is that?
That's
a treetop?
grass.
That's treetop?
No, it's grass in the back. Or
grass.
maybe it's mountain.
I don't.
know. Let's not try and...
I can't tell what it is.
Yes, in your own crude fashion. Here, take your money.
Don't be rude. I'm so sorry.
You gave us that because we killed the
Don't
lizard?
bother, I'm used to it.
We killed one lizard.
Speaking to his kind. Come, we're leaving.
We're leaving.
Why so rude?
She's like, I give you the D, but my dad...
I'd give you the D, but my dad just doesn't. He doesn't.
My
really.
dad doesn't like your kind.
Fucking with the microphone. Fucking with the microphone.
A pompous fool. It's work.
Pompous.
Barrel of
Dude,
laughs.
your bird, dog.
Well, you're growing up.
He's a unibird.
Ugh. If it
He
weren't
only
for
has one
work,
eye?
I'd have
No,
nothing
he's
to
got a
do with
horn.
the guy. He's
What?
got a
Oh,
horn.
unibird.
Business is business.
Like a unicorn, but a
hornibird.
bird.
She was a fine
Look at that thing. That's not a fucking feather, man.
Care
She's a
for her or
fine-looking
the
girl,
kindness
though.
of strangers.
I don't care for her or the kindness of strangers. Did he
He's
say?
like, I don't fuck. I'm
What are those people
celibate.
called?
Don't you dare talk to me like I'm not celibate again.
Those people that just don't have emotions for anybody.
I think he's just acting hard. He's being hard. Oh, here we go.
Got them beats playing outside, though. All right.
What is it,
I
Sky?
feel like,
Ludo.
for some
Looks
reason,
like we have
this
another
reminds
job.
me of The Lion King, where where Zazu is flying around with fucking Simba all the
I
time. dude.
actually have not.
Even that
watched
tree
The
is
Lion
really
King for
fucking.
a really
You
long
what?
time.
Oh, for a long time. I thought you were gonna say you haven't seen The Lion King.
Hey,
And I
not
was like,
already.
pause the episode. Pause the fucking episode. We have to go.
Well, I
fucking-
definitely need a
Sky,
refresher.
all right
Yeah.
already. It's good to have work, right?
In the original, you can hear the pecking sound, and
Really?
it is so annoying. Yeah. They took that. Yeah, they were like, okay, that's too annoying.
It's like
We
if you
gotta
don't
take
hit
that
A
out.
to go to the next thing, it's
Yeah.
for like an hour.
exactly.
You have your mom calls you away for a second. What the fuck's going on in your room? I'm not watching porn. It's fucking video.
Right.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah.
That's what it means to be a geohound.
A geohound. Hey.
Gaming with wood.
Yo yo.
My boner is fully erect, bud.
Yeah, it's tucked up.
My
right
gaming with wood point.
Tucked
My
up.
gaming with wood is on fleek.
now. Hard as fuck. It's on fleek. What is fleek? Can you explain fleek to me? I don't know fleek.
Perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
So fleek
Like on
is the
point.
new word.
Like basically
Why
just on
the
point.
fuck are people making new words for stuff?
Because
Why are
they
they all
needed
getting in the
something-
dictionary?
They needed something new to say. Something a little
That
more.
shit's on fleek.
something a
No,
little
the
more
shit
on
is
fleek.
perfect.
This is
Perfect
the
is
same
a good.
point.
Just
My God.
put it in their word. It's good, man. Perfect. Awesome. Perfect.
Lizard charm? How do I pause?
You got a wizard charm?
Lizard. Wizard.
Lizard.
I'm a wizard now.
I am now a wizard. Ma.
Yo,
Ryodo.
wizard, Harry.
I am Ryodo, Geoblade Wizard. My main scheme is Blizzard. Down the ladder, which has perfectly cut logs.
Look, it
They
even
did a
tells
great
you where
job.
to go. Like, the compass.
Oh, a spider! Okay,
Battle,
what's this
what
fighting scheme like? I don't even know what this is like. Little leg.
Little leg.
Little leg. Oh. Okay, okay.
It looks like 60 FPS. It's all trippy like, you know what I'm saying? You see it though?
Yeah. Well, the,
You know what I'm saying? It
60
seems like,
FPS is weird.
seems like it's happening.
I don't know if I enjoy it yet. Oh,
Yeah.
is he sticking you? 56? Did he just hit you with a 56?
That's
A
not
little
good,
fucking
man.
spider?
This battle system is actually dope though.
You better practice
cool.
if you want to beat me.
Why did you
say?
stab-
What did he just say?
You better
You'd have to
practice.
be.
You better practice if you're gonna beat me.
I thought he said you'd have to be a bastard if you want to beat me.
That'd be.
Yeah, I was like,
that'd
what
be
in the world?
rather
did I-
specific.
I was like, what did I just hear?
It's like just because. Don't count me out because of that. What's like the weirdest thing to count someone else for.
You're
Like,
getting awfully rude with these spiders, right?
you know who I am? Like,
Damn,
You better practice if you want to beat me.
you better be a... Mike's like, I can't even.
I
can't
just
even
don't.
think
I'm
about it.
taking it all in right now, trying to figure out what the fuck Grandia is.
Dude, this game is amazing. What we got?
Okay. Can we hit a pause screen?
You want to pause?
Oh no, we might as well not. Yeah, we'll run it a little longer. I'm sorry, it says I would join you if I'm not permitted to. I guess your role is more important than ours.
Don't worry, we'll do all the preparations for the ceremony.
What ceremony?
The ceremony.
The tomato
Tessa,
ceremony.
we have to get going. Alright. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Let's get all you girls
Peace
your
out,
tomatoes.
Let's go. How many times do you have to say you're going? Get the fuck out of here.
Leave.
Elena, it's time for the service. You ought to return now. Return where?
Is this us talking to them? Why
no,
are they
we're
talking
watching.
so much?
We're being nosy right
This
now.
is such a fucking weird
We've
conversation.
hired a bodyguard. I'm literally that bodyguard watching you guys talk about this.
We're just standing there like,
We're
can
like-
we please?
Oh, excuse me, I'm the bodyguard.
the
You
birds,
guys can leave
the birds
town.
on us like, come on, man, seriously, these guys are idiots.
Now, Elena, let's get back. Random
Thank you
passerby's
all
like,
for your
"Thank you."
hard work.
I know you're a hard worker. Probably none of our concern, even though we literally just listened to them talking about us. And shit. Are they collecting teeths?
Is this bird supposed to offset you in the game and just be like
The
the
bird
constant
is
thing
like-
that's like, hey,
the bird is like
don't
your
go
conscience.
right because that's not the
Yeah.
correct
It's
direction.
basically like your guardian angel, but not really. It's like your conscience.
Your
What
guardian.
do they do? Storm
shit.
through your door and beat charity out of you? I understand they're off to a tower outside the village to drive away evil spirits. We're very fortunate to have the sisters. Don't you talk shit about them selling tickets and beating charities.
Who are these sisters and what do they do?
Evil spirits? Yes, things are fine during the day, but when the sun goes down, dun 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 dun. Monsters! What about the girl who stayed behind? Oh, Miss Elena? She's the hottest
Songstress
bitch
of
in town.
Granus.
She's the hottest bitch in town.
Songstress of Granus. That sounds so fucking dirty. I'm the songstress of Granus.
Is that what it said?
Yeah, she was the
You don't look
songstress
like you're
of
from
Granus.
around here.
No,
Word of
motherfucker.
advice. Don't fuck around.
I got a unibird.
Huh? They needed a bodyguard. I'm him. Alright, let's...
Hashtag unibird.
Hashtag universe.
Do
I'm
that.
not going against general store. Carbo in, nah.
What the fuck's a carbo in?
Carbo.
Do you
What's
get
the name of the town?
carbohydrates?
Hey?
Like carbs?
Are you a geohound? What if I am?
Is
Or are
he
you
a
gonna fuck
geohound?
with me?
Are we a geohound?
Aren't geohounds known for being savage? You don't bathe and you drink the blood of the monsters you slaughter, right?
That's creepy.
Close. We bathe in the blood of our kill.
He just walks away. Just
Yeah.
doesn't say.
Hey
just
geohound
walks
guy,
away.
what does the monster meat taste like anyway?
A lot like a little kid, and I've been meeting a bat lately.
Ooh,
That's creepy.
you don't eat kids,
We
dude.
like-
He's
we
like,
like-
you're implying you eat kids.
Not unless they're too nosy for their own good.
He's just fucking with them. He's fucking with
Yeah,
them.
why is he fucking with the? Why is that in this game? It's like, yeah,
'Cause he
we
fucks-
fuck with children.
Because he's a badass. He's a geohound. We don't
Training
keep the likes
children,
of your
training
here.
children to be like, listen, people are gonna fuck with you sometimes.
Yeah.
Don't always take them seriously.
You need to be
Sometimes
sarcastic with people.
they're just a guy with a bird on his shoulder. Okay.
They're nice people. All done in the house. Our harvests of fruits and vegetables haven't been too good lately. Wonder if it's the same elsewhere. During my travels, I've noticed others complaining of bad harvests as well.
Well, yeah, you're all having the same fucking weather.
Every village is having a hard time.
Can't be that far apart.
Oh, he's like, our village is better though.
We're better.
I hear that folks in some places can't even get enough to eat, so
Oh shit.
my stomach's
Well,
full.
by the looks of your fucking
He's
coat,
got a nice ass fucking bed though.
look at this fucking coat hanger thing over there. That's all.
I knocked it over on my
You
way.
knocked it over.
I did.
I was gonna say. Well, your house is pretty unkept for a guy who's better.
Sheesh. Why don't you pray to that precious Grannis of yours to help you out? Grannis is like the god in this game. Like, yeah. It's like the person they all religiously look up to.
Okay,
Who
so-
writes this track?
So we got a rough intro. We got some fighting. Where are we gonna? What's our next goal? Where are we headed?
I need to see Elena.
Elena in here. Okay, can we pause?
Maybe it's that song's
Let's
just...
just stop here for a second. Stop here. Next time.
It won't capture that dust on my screen, will it?
Forward back. No, it doesn't capture the outside of your screen.